Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is Hassan, and this is Khalid, who's a fitness and health instructor, coach, and trainer.
Yes. Okay. Go behind. थोड़ा सा हो जाएगा. Yes. That side. Yes. Okay. Start recording.
ये हमने जो है मतलब आपका फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट हुआ था 2 weeks बैक और उसके बाद वी आर डूइंग सम वर्कआउट्स स्ट्रेंथनिंग योर मसल्स ओवरऑल in terms of your full body workout we are doing, right? So उन सब के बाद आपका क्या आपने डिफरेंस फील किया एंड देन यू हैव बीन हैविंग दिस प्रॉब्लम फॉर क्वाइट अ व्हाइल, राइट? तो आपका मेरे ख्याल से लोअर बैक का जो था आपका वो पेन जो था जो आपके डिस्क वगैरह दैट वाज कंप्रेस्ड एंड देन वी आर डूइंग डीकम्प्रेसिंग बाय डूइंग द मैनुअल एडजस्टमेंट. तो आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताएंगे प्लीज.
Okay, so I'll just walk you through my background that I've shared, and on camera I can talk about it. IT की इंडस्ट्री हो या ऑफिस में जितने लोग मतलब ऑफिस वर्कर्स हो गए जो बैठ के काम करते हैं, या स्पेशली फिल्म मेकर्स, एडिटर्स जो घंटों 12-12 घंटे 8
Sitting
घंटे
long
6
hours,
घंटे
yes, that's
तो लॉन्ग आवर्स बैठ के काम करते हैं. सो वी आर सो आउट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, वी आर सो फोकस्ड इन आवर वर्क दैट वी डोंट इवन टेक अ
Think
ब्रेक
about
टू गो
your-
एंड टेक अ
exactly.
लीक. We just glued to our screens, so focused, and we're out of our body. हमारा focus attention body में भी नहीं होती कि
Yes.
posture कैसे. Literally about 1.5 years ago, or more actually, last year, समवेयर जून या जुलाई की बात है, मैं बैठ के काम कर रहा था तो
Okay.
मेरा ये जो मसल है ना, मैं लिटरली यूं इस तरफ लीन होके काम कर रहा था. तो I didn't pay attention to my posture, and that's been accumulating
You
for
were
years.
so focused in your work, so
Yes.
you couldn't even feel कि मतलब आपका posture सही है या नहीं.
For years and years and years वो accumulate होता रहा, और वो अचानक से spasm, muscle spasm, almost like an attack, and I rushed to the hospital, and over there they just gave me painkillers, because hospital में emergency में that's what they do, right? I mean,
Yeah,
they
of course,
just
yeah.
kill the symptoms but not address the actual problem.
Exactly, because they just want to treat you at the first place, right?
या सो फिर औरतों के पास भी गया तो औरतों ने की मसल रिलैक्सेंट और इस तरह की चीज़ें दी, एक्सरे, MRI एंड ऑल दैट, एंड देन आई फाउंड आउट कि स्पाइन मेरी एडजस्ट मतलब इट नीड्स एडजस्टमेंट बिल्कुल.
Yes.
सो
It's out of alignment.
It is, yeah, it was. And उसके बाद then the whole entire journey of figuring out कि what's wrong with me. So I went to KKT. I mean जो sound quantum sound के साथ कहते थे, it seemed like a scam, honestly. फिर then I stumbled upon के या तो आप सर्जरी कर सकते हैं बहुत सीरियस हो अगर आपका.
सही.
तो my MRI actually showed कि मैं काम कर करके मेरा जो ये सर्वाइकल है इसके नीचे के वर्टेब्रास का गैप खत्म हो गया था, और लोअर बैक का that was
This is severe, yeah.
It was severe. So then I figured out कि chiropractor के पास जो है ना, that's like one of the best helps I can get out there. So I started seeing this chiropractor, and I would drive like every day about half an hour 45 minutes drive one way to go and see him. और वो पहले तो मसाज होता था, फिर उसके बाद अलाइनमेंट होती थी, और वो हर रोज एक कड़क कड़क वो चीज़
Manual
होती
alignments, हाँ.
है. और उसके बाद I would feel एक सेंस ऑफ रिलीफ तो था मुझे काफ़ी.
सही.
I I did that for 20-25 days straight. It was really a big dent on my pocket, but you know I had to go through that. उसके बाद फिर मैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट से मसाज और स्ट्रेचिंग वगैरह कर रहा था, and that's when I met Khalid right after all those processes that I went through, and then I realized कि it's a very holistic approach जिसमें मुझे अपनी मसल्स की मसल्स कोर मसल्स को स्पेशली एंड होल बॉडी मसल्स उसको बिल्ड करना है. I was really like I lost almost 10 kg so that I can थोड़ा सा मेरे स्पाइन को जोड़ना पड़े. That was my initial impression.
Yeah, so just because of that, you lost a lot of weight, but at the same time, you lost your muscle mass
Muscles as
also, which was actually supporting your back and your vertebrae, so and helping your posture to keeping it straight. So, but of course, this was our approach. I told you first, okay, we're gonna strengthen your muscles. We're gonna do the manual adjustment and stretching as well. And alhamdulillah, now, mashallah, after 2 weeks.
Yes, just 2 weeks, and I can feel कि मतलब never in my life I've actually lifted
strong.
weight. So now I can feel flexibility, bit of strength. Almost I've got a long way to go, definitely.
It's just the beginning.
Yes, I see so many people come in here who've got massive muscles. So I feel like abhi to this is a long time for me to build these muscles. And but what's more important कि मैं अब बैठ के भी 5-6 घंटा भी करता हूँ. Obviously I should take breaks, लेकिन ये कि अब मुझे वो impact या वो pain नहीं होता और मैं सोता हूँ जाके तो next day I'm recovered. That's something.
Good. That's good.
Yes,
So
and
it's just making good progress.
Yep, with the alignments and with this whole exercising and obviously keeping my diet intact as well. So with a holistic approach now, I think I'm progressing towards a healthier and more stronger, better, flexibility in my body. So, which is I'm 100% sure that it's going to be really good for my spine, my nervous system, and my.
Yeah, definitely. That's very good. Okay, so I just, what do you want to recommend people, those who actually having the problem, those who are sitting long hours, having the problem with their back, lower back, compressing? I just wanted to share one more story also. Like, some people, they really, go for the surgery directly, but there is another way, which is actually we can decompress the disc by doing the manual adjustment. And that's what we actually did with Hassan. And now, mashallah, the results are right in front of you within 2 weeks. And by doing the strength workouts, manual adjustment, and stretching as well. So, do you recommend people?
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, if you want to fix your back, if you're working for long hours at office, especially filmmakers, editors, IT industry, they're all in the front line, and
It's all for you.
This is literally slow suicide. I mean, अगर आप उसको foreign adjust नहीं करेंगे तो I mean, I'm in my 30s, I'm in my 30s, and I mean it's still so young, right? But it was a serious issue, and I think I'm 100% at the right place where I can fix this issue. And I'd highly recommend it to everyone who needs this adjustment. And,
Thank you. Thank you.
This is a very common problem. Back ka issue to it's every second or third person has it. So we should fix this right away.